in the gate. The next part of the linear algebra is system of linear equations. Systems of linear equations. Linear is nothing but power of the variable is 1. See, the power of the variable x power 1, y power 1. So the power of the variable is 1, linear. And solve this two set of equations, linear equations, and get the value of x and y. The first equation is 2x plus 4y equal to 4, and second equation y equal to x minus 2. Substitute the value of y equal to x minus 2 in equation 1. 2x plus 4 into, instead of y you are writing x minus 2 equal to 4, and then rearranging 2x plus 4x, 4 into 2 minus 8 equal to 4, 6x, 2x plus 4x, 6x, then bringing this 8 this side, 6x equal to 8 plus 4 and 6x equal to 12, x is equal to 2. Substituting the value of x equal to 2 in equation 2, we get y equal to x minus 2, the second equation. Substitute the value of x is equal to 2, we get 2 minus 2, 0. The solution y equal to 0, the solution is 2 comma 0. Then example 2, the two equations are solved. The two equations are x plus 3y equal to 6, the first equation, 2x plus 6y equal to minus 12, the second equation. Then we can write by the substitution method x equal to 6 minus 3y, and substituting the value of x in equation 2, that is 2 into second equation, 2 into, instead of x you are writing 6 minus 3y plus 6y equal to minus 12, and then rearranging 2 into 6, 12, minus 6y plus 6y equal to minus 12, then getting cancelled, 12 equal to minus 12. This indicates there is no solution. The next example 3, the equation, first equation 2x minus 3y equal to 6, 4x minus 6y equal to 12 is the second equation. Then from equation 1 we have 2x equal to 6 plus 3y. Substituting the value of x in equation 2 such that we have 2x by 2 equal to, it is dividing the both sides by 2, 2x by 2 equal to 6 by 2 plus 3 by 2 into y. Then we get the value x equal to 3 plus 3 by 2y. Then substituting this value in equation 2, we get 4 into, instead of x you are substituting 3 plus 3 by 2y minus 6y equal to 12. Then rearranging 4 into 3, 12 plus 12 by 2 into y minus 6y equal to 12. Then rearranging again we get 12 equal to 12. This implies infinity many solutions. Then example 4, solve x plus y equal to 7, 4x minus y equal to 3. This is the original system. These are the two equations. Then we got to add the two equations. That is x plus 4x equal to 5, and this plus y and minus y will be getting cancelled. 7 plus 3, that is 10. That is adding the equation together, and we can get the value of x equal to 2. Then substituting this value in any one of these two equations, we get x plus y equal to 7, or x is equal to substitute value of 2 plus y equal to 7, y equal to 7 minus 2, that's equal to 5. Solution 2 comma 5. Then we can check whether the value we found out x and y is correct using this. X plus y equal to 7. Substitute the value of x equal to 2 and y equal to 5. We get 7. Then 7 equal to 7. Similarly, 4x minus y equal to 3. Then substitute the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. We get 8 minus 5, that's equal to 3, and 3 equal to 3. The next example 5, solve, is by elimination method. Elimination method, we'll do it now. 3x plus 4y equal to 18, the first equation, minus 2x plus 4y equal to 8 is the second equation. By elimination method means in the second equation we have to subtract all the variables and then you have to do the next step. That is 3x plus 4y equal to 18, or minus of minus 2x minus 4y equal to minus 8. Then adding together 3x plus 4y equal to 18, 2x minus 4y equal to minus 8. Then 3x plus 2x equal to 5, and this is getting cancelled. 18 minus 8, that is 10. Then x equal to 2. Then substituting this value of x equal to 2 in any one of the value, that is 3 into x, that is x is equal to 2 plus 4y equal to 18, or 6 plus 4y equal to 18, or 4y equal to 18 minus 6, that is 12. Then 4y equal to 12, y equal to 12 by 4, that's equal to 3. Therefore solution is y equal to 3, solution is 2 by 3, 2 comma 3. Then solve example 6, solve another one. 2x plus 3y equal to 7 and 4x plus 9y equal to 17. The same elimination method, and here we are multiplying the first equation by 3 and get 3 into 2x, that is 6x. Then 3 into 3, 9y. Then 7 into 3, 21. This is the third equation. And 3 minus 2 gives 6x plus 9y equal to 21. Minus of minus 4x minus 9y minus 17. That is 2. 6 minus 4, 2x. And this is getting cancelled. Then 21 minus 17, 4. Therefore, x is equal to 2. Similarly, substituting the value of x is equal to 2 in any one of the equation, we get 2. The x value is 2. Then plus 3y equal to 7, or 4 plus 3y equal to 7, or 3y equal to 7 minus 4, that is 3y equal to 3, then y equal to 1, solution 2 comma 1.